How to log into your Triangle Mastercard account online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Triangle Mastercard account online. To do so, first of all, you need to visit the official website of Triangle Mastercard, that is triangle.com. Open any web browser on your device first and in the search bar, type in triangle.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Triangle Mastercard. On this page, at the top right, you will find Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of this homepage. Once you click on it, here you will be presented with two different options: Triangle Reward Sign In or Credit Card Sign In. Here select this Credit Card Sign In. Once you do so, you will be redirected to a new page. Here in this page, you can find the sign-in interface. In this first box, you need to enter your username, and in the second box, you need to enter your password. If in case you have forgotten your username or password and couldn't log into your account, then you may click on this Forgot Username or Forgot Password link just below the box. Also, you can click on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is correctly entered or not. Also, if you want your username to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this Remember My Username box ahead of it. Once doing that, now you can click on this Sign In button to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Triangle Mastercard account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.